been seeing a lot of videos about the Apple MagSafe Wireless Charger, but I don't know what all the hype is about, because Google brought one of these out in 2015 for their Nexus line of phones. Google's current line of phones is the Pixel line of phones, but preceding that was the Nexus line of phones, including the Nexus 4, which was a 4-inch phone with a glass front and back. This one here, which is the Nexus 5, from about 2013 that came out, and the Nexus 7 was 2012 and 2013, and they all had wireless charging on them. And in 3rd of March 2015 I ordered this Nexus Wireless Charger directly from the Google Play Store for £37.99, and unlike the Apple MagSafe one, this one's got a sticky base. Although on this one the base is covered in dust, so it's not that sticky anymore. But it meant that when you put it down on the desk and attached your phone to it, it would stay on the desk. So when you pick your phone up, you don't pick up the charger with you. And it worked on micro USB. And I think, there we go, gives you a light as well. So let's zoom out a little bit. And then you pop your phone on there. And it would centre. The thing is difficult to this Nexus 5 has a sort of like a grippy back on it. It's like a sort of a matte back, which is quite grippy, so it doesn't centre this very well. But on the Nexus 7 it would centre. It would centre the Nexus 7 tablet, 7-inch tablet, and on the Nexus 4 it would centre that directly onto the wireless charger as well. The Nexus 4 actually was famous for sliding off a table, so if your table wasn't exactly level, you'd put the Nexus 4 down on the table, not on a charger, just on a table, and because the back was glass, it would just gradually slide off on a microscopic cushion of air. But so that was easy. So you popped your Nexus 4 on there, or in fact your Nexus 7 tablet, and it would centre directly into the magnets to always give you the charge. I've just realised that the charging cable with the red end on it wasn't working, and that's why I was getting a red warning light on the Nexus charger. So now I've got that sorted out, it will actually charge. So as soon as I drop that on there, it says charge reached, because I'm using Accu battery, which I think is quite good, despite some people saying it's not. Above 80% it gives me a warning to turn my battery, to turn the charger off. But you can see here it's charging at the moment. So yeah, that's the Nexus charger. So I'll just get off the table there with the sticky pad on the back. So it would grip to the table, which Apple hasn't yet got. They will bring that out probably and charge an extra £30 for that or something. But if you didn't have a textured back, a grippy back on this, which you can tell is getting quite old now, you'd be able to put your phone on there and it would automatically centre onto the charging stand and give you the best rate of charge. So I don't know what the hype is about the Apple MagSafe. Google did it back in March 2015 when I ordered mine. So thanks for watching.